I don't believe a word of these charges. I think they are trumped up, and I think this clearly forms part of a bigger struggle for positions within the department, at least the police department, and I think you have to go back to where all of this initially started with the attempts by the minister to remove Anwar Dramat as head of the Hawks, and then subsequently replaced by Burning Meza. The fact that Burning Meza's position is being challenged in the High Court, there's also a number of criminal charges. Meza have been pursuing all kinds of strategies to remove people that he considers opposition.
If charges intimidation and smear tactic, then that would clearly be a part of a pattern. It's happened before many times where those people who are trying to expose wrongdoing are then accused of wrongdoing in a sort of Orwellian, Kafkaesque kind of way. So in the absence of evidence, actual real evidence that these people are involved in the things that they have been accused of, most sort of observers standing on the outside are going to be very suspicious of this move and is going to wonder whether this has to do with politics or with actual law.